Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Today I am going to explain the preparation test half-yearly examination solutions. I have already explained the solution of set 1 in the previous video. In this video we will discuss the explanation of set 2 solutions of chapter 5 and 6. And this is the first question. The number with more digit is always greater. The number with more digit. How can we solve it? How can you understand it? Let us take an example to compare the and two numbers which has digit is here. Yes, 125 and 5879. It has a 3 digit, it has a 4 digit. So you know that according to this statement, the number with more digit is always greater. And it is no possibilities if the digit of a number is greater, it is not greater. So it means our answer will be first. And now another question is 7984 minus 4751. This is the matter of subtraction. When we subtract 7984 4751, when we subtract 4751 from the 7984, we get 3233. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. The answer will be 3233. Okay. Now go to the next questions. Question number 3. 8000 minus dash is equal to 100 is equal to 6300. Which number is comes in the blank space? How can we solve it? Now write is here 8000 minus 6300. We get the 1700. It means the 1700. We can write, because here is the hundreds is given, we can write 700 in this way, 7 into 100. It means here is the hundreds, here right is the hundreds. Which number is comes here? 1700. Now answer is a 1700. Which will be answer? Yeah, this option will be correct. If there is any type of the situations is given, so we will subtract 8000. We will subtract this numbers from this numbers. Let us see how can we solve this type of the questions. 7 minus which numbers is equal to uh, is equal to 4. How can we solve it? Yes, you can solve this type of the question mentally. 7 minus which numbers? Yes, we know sir, 3. How can we find this number 3? Yes, how can we find? When we subtract 4 from this 7, we get the 3 also. So here is the same situation. So we can solve in this way this type of the questions. But the difference between these both of these questions are, here is the hundreds is the given, but the process is same. We will subtract these numbers from these numbers when the subtract sign is given is here. Okay. Now let us see the question number 4. This is the same question. 7 minus dash is equal to 4. So here is the 5555 minus dash dash is equal to 4555. How can we subtract? 555 minus 4555 and 4550. We get the 1000. The answer will be first. Okay. Now let us see the go to the question number 7. Last 5. 800 minus 10 is equal to 750. 650. You know that? How can we solve it? The difference between this question and this question is same. Not here is the hundreds, here is the tens. But the process will be same. How can we solve? Yes. 800 minus 632. We get the 170. 170, it means we can write is here 17 into 10. It means the 17 tens. It It means the 70 days. Write the 70. Here is the 70. Which statement is the correct? Which statement is correct? 100 minus 40. When we subtract 100 minus 40, we get the 60. And here is the sign is the greater. 120 minus 60, we get the 60. Here you see both the numbers are the same, but the sign between these two numbers is not equal sign. It makes a greater sign. So this statement is incorrect. Go to the next question. 75 minus 25. When we subtract 75 minus 25, we get the 50. And here is the sign. 90 minus 30, we get the 60. So this statement is correct because 50 less than the 60. Then now check the next options also. 1000 minus 300. 1000 minus 300, we get the 700 less than 850 minus 200, we get the 650. This statement is also wrong because 700 is greater than the 650. But this sign represents a greater sign, not a greater sign. Now let us see the another question. 870 minus 70. When we subtract, we get the 800. 800 less than 970 minus 800. We get the 170. So this is also wrong. The answer must be 50 lesser than 60. This option. Okay. So in this way, we can solve this type of the questions. Now go to the next questions. How much 3945 greater than 3459? 3945 greater than 3459. How can we solve it? We can solve by subtract it. 3945 minus 343459. When we subtract it, we get the 486 answer. Okay. And now here is the question. Dash dash minus 5 is equal to 80 minus 2. How can make this statement true? And write the answers. Minus 5. And when we subtract 18 minus 2, we get the 16. Now question is here. Which number comes in this blank space? When 5 subtract from these numbers, we get the 16. So if you calculate this simplification mentally, we find that here is a 21. 21 minus 5, we get the 60. But how can we solve in the proper method? Yes, 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. These two numbers is the given, minus 5 and the 16. Here the sign of this 5 is the negative. When this numbers comes from other side of the equal, that means the right side, it makes the plus sign. Now here is the 16 plus 5, we make the 21. The answer will be 21. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, so you can solve this type of the question in the both type of the method. And now what the question number 9 say? This is the question is based on the simplification. Here is the only two signs is the given, plus and the negative. First 83001032. First of all, we will adding them. 8300 and the plus. How can we plus? 1032. When we adding them, we get the 9332 when we adding. And after that, these two numbers has negative sign before these numbers. Then adding all these two numbers, 5431 and plus 2357. When we adding them, we get the 7 7 8 8 7 7 8 8. And now when we subtract these numbers, 7 7 8 8, these numbers, we get the 1544. Which numbers is that? 1544. Okay, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 11 minus 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. And 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So it makes the 1544. Which digit should come in the place of this? 2 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. The number is left here is the 9. And 9 minus Which number we get the 3? Yes, we choose the 6th. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, and 9 minus, and which number is left here? 8. And 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. We have already discussed this type of the questions in this chapter. Now, question number 11. What the question number 11 say? In month of the March, there were 16 working days. How many days were holidays? So how many days in the March? Yes, the number of days in the March is equal to 31. When we subtract holiday working days from this total number of days in the gate, we get the 15, and the 15 is the holidays. The answer will be this. Out of 1215 books in a library, 347 books were lent out. How many books are still in the library? How many books? So to solve these questions, we will subtract it 1215 minus 347. When we subtract it, we get the 868 books. Okay, so answer will be this. Now go to the next questions. Question number 13. The difference between 2031 and 1299. It means, what is the meaning of the difference? Difference means subtraction from the greater to smaller. Which number is the greater is here? The number is greater is 2031, and subtract 1299. When we subtract these two numbers, we get the 732. So our answer will be 7,713. Question number 14. The sum of the two number is 8136. One of them is 3887. What is the other number? According to this statement, the situation is here. Some one of the number 3887. Which number we want to the plus? We get the numbers is the 8136. 8136. Which number is comes here? How can we find it? When we subtract 3887, 8136 minus 3887, we get the 4249. Okay, so we can solve this type of the question. Here is the digit is the larger, so we will require subtract in this way. If the digit is smaller, in the same situation is here, 5 plus which number is equal to 8. You can write this blank in easy way as the 3. But how can we find this 3? When we subtract this 5 from this 8, we get the 3. So in the same way, we can solve this type of the questions. When we subtract this number from this, we get the 4249. Okay. Now let us see the next questions. The question next say that what the question is. Question number 15. Question number 15 is here, which digit should come in the place? Here is the 0-8. 0, which number is comes here? 2. Which number is comes here? 2. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And now here is the 9. 9 minus 5 is equal to the 4. And 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. The answer will be 2. Very simple question. And the difference of 8264 and 90200. This type of the question I have already explained in the previous type of the questions. We will subtract 8264 from the 9020. Okay. Now question number 17. Fill in the blanks. They make the statement true. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference obtained. A number is subtracted from itself. Suppose it is the 8. The same number is the 8. When we subtract, we get the 0. Let us take another example. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. And according to this statement, we see that in the both the cases, 8 minus 8, both are the equal. And when we subtract to each other, we get the 0 answer. And now here is another example, we get also 0. Now question number 18. What number must be added to get 3817 to get the 8000? How much numbers will be added? So for this 8000 minus 3817, when we subtract it, we get the 4183. The answer will be this. And now go to the next questions. Question number 19. A bakery shop has 23 pineapple pastry, 28 mango pastries, and 45 chocolate pastry. If 69 pastries are sold on a certain day, how many pastries will left unsold? So total number of the total pastries to find, we get 23 and the plus 28 and the plus 45. When we adding all these three type of the pastries, we get the 9 96 pastries. How many pastries is 96? And 96. 69 pastries sold, 69 minus 69. When we subtract this 69 from the 96, we get the 27. So we get the 27. This is the subtract. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Answer will be 27. And this is the last question. How can we subtract it? This is the, so first of all, here is the no sign. It means the plus, and here is the plus. Then we will adding these numbers 2, 2, 3, 6, 8 plus 2, 9, 8, 7, 2, 9, 8, 7. And after that, we get these numbers. When we adding them, both these numbers, we get this now. Suppose this is the question mark. When this question mark subtract the another number 3, 4, 5, 9. So we will get which answer is a 1896. Okay. So what will this question mark? Adding this both these numbers. Do yourself. Okay. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you understand how can we solve this type of the questions. And this type of the question is very helpful in half-yearly examinations. Thank you, boys. In the next video, I will explain the next solution of the preparations videos. Thank you.